In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text on LinkedIn bold. Whether you're aiming to make your post stand out or simply want to emphasize a point, bold text on LinkedIn can significantly enhance your message's visibility and impact. Now let's dive straight into the process, crafted to be not only simple but engaging. The first step in our journey is to visit a tool designed specifically for this task, the LinkedIn Text Formatter. You don't need any prior experience with coding or special software. This tool is as user-friendly as it gets. Just follow the link to access it. Once you're on the LinkedIn Text Formatter website, the real magic begins. Here you'll type in the text you want to make bold. Notice at the top of the website, there's a myriad of formatting options available for you. For bold text, you'll find the bold button or command. Click or apply it to your text. After you've formatted your text, the next step is simply to copy it. This tool cleverly turns your plain text into a LinkedIn-friendly, bold version, all ready to be used. Now, with your bold text copied, it's time to head over to LinkedIn. Go to the LinkedIn website where you'll be greeted with the option to sign in. If you have a Google account connected, you can sign in with Google for speed and convenience, or you can simply continue with your existing LinkedIn account credentials. This step is pretty straightforward. Following your login, navigate to start a new post. The LinkedIn interface is designed to be intuitive, so you should find the Start a Post button without any hassle. Once you've clicked on it, paste the formatted bold text that you copied earlier. You might not see the bold formatting in the post editor, but don't worry. Finally, all that's left to do is publish. Hit the post button. Your text will now be displayed in bold to all your LinkedIn connections and viewers, allowing your message to make that much more of an impression. Throughout this process, remember to preview your post where possible to ensure your formatting looks just right. Adjustments can be made back in the LinkedIn Text Formatter tool if necessary. Additionally, while bold text can make your post stand out, using it too frequently might lessen its impact, so we recommend using it judiciously to emphasize key points or sections of your message. And there you go, a simple, effective way to bold text on LinkedIn, enhancing the professionalism and visibility of your posts. Happy posting, and remember, a touch of bold can make your words carry that much further.